Hello, I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khere, faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, continues with the part 2 of chapter Tablet. In this part 2, we are going to discuss about the classification of tablets. Tablets are classified into 4 different classes. First, tablets ingested orally. Second, tablets used in oral cavity. Third, tablets administered by other route. And fourth, tablets used to prepare solution. Tablets ingested orally contains compressed tablet, multiple compressed tablet, multi-layered tablet, sustained action tablet, enteric coated tablet, sugar coated tablet, film coated tablet and chewable tablet. Second class, tablets used in oral cavity contains buccal tablet, sublingual tablet, lozenges and dental cones. Third, tablet administered by other route contains implantation tablet, vaginal tablet. Fourth, tablets used to prepare solution contains effervescent tablet, dispensing tablet, hypodermic tablets and tablet triturates. First, compressed tablets. These are meant for oral administration. They disintegrate in water within 15 minutes and dissolve drug as per monograph. For example, paracetamol tablet. Second, multiple compressed tablet. These tablets are prepared to separate physically or chemically incompatible ingredients or to produce repeated action or prolonged action products. Multi-layered tablets. These are prepared by more than a single compression cycle. Several different granules are compressed on top of other to form a single tablet composed of 2 or more layers. For example, gluformin G2, which contains glimepiride and metformin. Sustained action tablet. They releases drug slowly for sustained drug action. After administration of tablet, it provides the immediate release of some amount of the drug that promptly produces the desired therapeutic effect, and the remaining amount of drug is gradually or continuously released to maintain the level of drug over an extended period, usually 12 to 24 hours. For example, Overan SR tablet 100 mg. Enteric coated tablet. Enteric coating resists disintegration and dissolution of tablet in stomach but not in the intestine. Enteric coating is employed for following reasons: to prevent attack of gastric content on drugs, second, to protect the stomach from irritant effect of certain drugs, and third, certain drugs have drug absorption more in intestine than in stomach. For example, Pantop tablets. Sugar-coated tablet. Sugar coating is done to mask bitter and unpleasant taste and odor of the medicament. Film-coated tablet involves the deposition of colored or uncolored thin film of polymer surrounding the tablet core. For example, Voveran SR tablets. Chewable tablet. These are compressed tablets designed to chew prior to swallow for the patient who have difficulty in swallowing. For example, Gelusil Plus, which contains dried aluminum hydroxide gel 250 mg. Buccal tablets. These are generally flat or oval shaped, which are placed in the buccal pouch where they disintegrate and dissolves the drug. For example, tablets of ethisterone. Sublingual tablet. These tablets are placed under the tongue where they dissolve or disintegrate quickly and are absorbed directly without passing into GIT. For example, Isordyl sublingual tablet contains isosorbide dinitrate 5 mg, which is used as a vasodilator. Lozenges. These are used for treatment of local infection of mouth and throat, which slowly release the drug for systemic action. For example, Alex cough lozenge, which contain dexamethasone HBr 5 mg, which is used in dry cough. Dental cones. These are relatively minor compressed tablets which are meant for placing the tablets in empty sockets after tooth extraction. They prevent bacterial growth in socket by slowly releasing medicament in the socket and reduces bleeding by containing the astringent. Implantation tablet. These are small rod-shaped or ovoid-shaped sterile pellets composed of highly purified drug in rate controlling system. They are inserted into body tissue by surgical procedure. For example, hormones like testosterone and deoxycorticosterone are implanted. Vaginal tablet. They are oval or pear-shaped and they facilitate retention in the vagina where tablet dissolve or release the medicament. For example, Candid V6 which contains clotrimazole 100 mg which is a fungicide. Effervescent tablets. These are compressed tablets containing effervescent salt as additives which liberate carbon dioxide in presence of water. Carbon dioxide acts as effervescent and used to mask unpleasant taste of medicament. Effervescents are produced due to chemical reaction between sodium bicarbonate, citric acid and tartaric acid. This tablet dissolved within 5 minutes. For example, Histac EVT which contains ranitidine 150 mg which is used in hyperacidity. Dispensing tablet. This tablet disintegrate within 3 minutes to produce uniform dispersion or solution. They show faster action and it contains super disintegrants. For example, Gastropain tablets which contain Cispride 5 mg which is used in constipation. Hypodermic tablet. These are compressed tablets containing one or more drug with water soluble ingredient. These tablets are dissolved in sterile water or water for injection and administered by parenteral route. Tablet triturate. These are small tablets usually cylindrical, molded or compressed. It contains potent medicament with diluents. Thank you.